Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today is the mighty tweaked Fluffernutter. Hashtag peanut butter. That's what we're doing today. We're going to tweak that Fluffernutter. We're going to make it even more delicious. Let's do our shout outs quick. I got 4 and here they are. Mel's Simple Meals. Please go check her out. She does a lot of great stuff all the way across the board. She's got some good stuff going on there. The Magical Slow Cooker. Sarah, go check out Sarah at the Magical Slow Cooker. If you like to work in a crock pot, slow cooker, etc., she's got what you need. A gazillion recipes right there for you to like, share, and subscribe to her channel. And don't forget to look at all her recipes. Mike Montoya Smokin' Mary's Rack Barbecue. Check him out. A lot of good stuff. Delicious channel. Wine and Dine with Jeff. It's a newer channel. You might want to go check it out. He does a lot of delicious stuff. Those are our shout outs. Hey, hashtag peanut butter. The mighty tweaked Fluffernutter. Next on Cooking with Corey. Alright, our ingredients are quite simple today. We got some chocolate chips, some peanut butter, some fluff, some sourdough bread, a banana, and some butter. And, you know, that's what we're starting out with. Hey, let's get this Fluffernutter going. The mighty Fluffernutter that is tweaked. Alright guys, it's time to get our mega tweaked, mighty mega tweaked Fluffernutter going. So you saw what we did. Took sourdough, halved it, cut the sides off. So this is what we're setting with. And so you need to start adding stuff. Hey, peanut butter, your choice. Don't be judging me because I'm using Jif. Because I know there's a ton of you out there right now saying, oh, Jif sucks. You know what? I like Jif. It's my favorite peanut butter, so use your favorite peanut butter. You don't have to be hating on me just because I like Jif. Hey, if you like Skippy, you like organic, you like whatever, you use what you want. Cooking with Corey, he's a Jif guy. This is what he likes. So this is what he's going to use. And so one side of our bread here, it's going to get doused with good coating of peanut butter. Your choice. You know, hey, I'm saying your choice, so, you know, just don't be hating on my peanut butter choice. You know, we all like different things in life. Alright, so there we go. Peanut butter side done. Traditionally, I think you toast the bread, take it out, you put peanut butter on one side, and then fluff on the other side. That's what Jen says. She's from, you know, the East Coast, and that's how she says I should have done it. You know what? This is Cooking with Corey, and I'm going to do it my way. And that's the way it is. So, alright, other side of our bread here, right here. Fluff. I'm actually using fluff, so I shouldn't get much help for that. But alright, so you get that marshmallow fluff out, and this is what goes on this side of the bread. You keep it on there good, you know, because we want a good sandwich. You know, we don't want to be cheating ourselves on the marshmallow fluff. We don't want to be cheating ourselves on the peanut butter. Because you know what? I got some more stuff coming to the party here that you guys are going to love. Or not. If you don't love it, leave it off. It's not the end of the world. Alright, so we got our fluff on there. Actually, you know what? I'll put more fluff on there. We're not screwing around. You know, this is a peanut butter collab. This is my channel. I like things big and delicious, so here we go. Alright. Look at that. Alright. Peanut butter, your choice on one side. Marshmallow fluff, right there. So, another thing that we're going to do to ramp this up just a little bit, we're going to put chocolate chips. So, chocolate chips are your choice. Milk chocolate, I don't care. Semi-sweet, I don't know what kind of person you are when it comes to your chocolate chips, but you know what? Throw them on there. Get them around there. And there we go. Alright. Bananas. You saw us cutting up bananas also? Obviously broke apart, but you want to make little, you can make little circles too. That will work just fine. So you get the point. We're going around here doing this. Hey, bring it back. Alright peeps, as you can see, we are covered with chocolate chips and banana. So we need to do one other thing. We need to cap this sucker off like that. Alright, there we go. We got a nice, wonderful cap of deliciousness on our mighty tweaked Fluffernutter. Next, melted butter. All over it. All over the top. Because our next thing is we're going to go to the stove. We're not going to do this in the toaster. Let's go to the stove. We're going to do this like grilled cheese. I'm sure there are many recipes out there that do it like grilled cheese, but hey, that's what we're doing today. Hey, next time I see you, we'll be at the stove. Alright guys, on the heat we go with our mighty tweaked Fluffernutter. There we got it. Goes on there. And obviously, if we're going to do that, we got to obviously the other side with butter. Because you gotta get both sides. Alright, so I'm gonna finish that up and we're gonna bring it back when it starts getting delicious. That already is, but you know. So we are oozing deliciousness out of our mighty Fluffernutter. I can't say that word very good, so anyway. It's doing good. We're doing good with our Fluffernutter. We are going to pull them off and serve them up here. Alright guys, our mighty Fluffernutter is off of the pan and looking delicious, and this thing is as big as your head, obviously, as you can tell. So, hey, let's cut into it, see how we did. Obviously it's thing with this Fluffernutter is we can get 4 pieces out of this big boy here, no problem. Look at that coming out the sides. Alright, so our Fluffernutter is done. Look at that deliciousness. Alright, tell me that is not good looking food right there that you would sink your teeth into. We're going to make it a little better on the cutting board. We'll go from there. So we're gonna do a little bit of powdered sugar on there, all the way around on our board. And then we're just going to top it off with some delicious mint leaves. I'll tell you what, you got yourself right there a delicious looking Fluffernutter. Hashtag peanut butter, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Corey.